Hello, it's Ashley here from Paper&Twine, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. This is part of the year-long Christmas collaboration hosted by Jessica Marvel and Lesley Bromfield, and I must apologise that this is going up late. I've just lost my crafty mojo a little bit, I'm afraid, but at least it is going up on the day, so that is something to be thankful for, isn't it? This month we are making Christmas crackers. I love that little saying, "Your crackers, my lady. You're nuts, my lord." Yeah, I've got a little bit of a warped sense of humour. I have got a video where I have made a tutorial on how to make easy Christmas crackers, 2 sizes, and I also show you how to do it without an envelope punch board. I'll link that here if I can. If not, it could be in the description box down below. I will also link in the description box all the other collaborators who are taking part in this year-long collaboration. Please do go and check out their makes, because I'm sure that they will be much better than mine. I am making some little Christmas crackers that would be ideal for a craft fair make, or a secret Santa, or a random act of kindness, or just because. These are lovely diddy little crackers, and what I'm using is this paper that I bought last year from the works, £3, 24 sheets, double-sided, 230 GSM. It was called Snowy Christmas, and I've used an awful lot of it, and I've kept all my scraps. But also, I just wanted to show you that they've rebranded it this year. £4 it is now, and it's called Let It Snow. And if you're still here, thank you so much. I'm going to show you how to make these. I've made a little box that is 6 by 6, and I've decorated it with some of the paper. It's the lid is about 1 inch deep, and the base is 1 1/4 inch deep. I haven't bothered decorating the inside. It's taken me just about an hour to make and decorate the box and to make these 4 little crackers, and they fit in like this. I haven't put string around them. You could make the box slightly smaller, I guess, and make it not square because they self-close. But we're going to make one and decorate it, but I just wanted to show you that it will fit in the box really nicely. So I'm just going to get a couple of things I need, and I'll come back to you. So what you will need for this is a piece of paper that is 6.5 by 4.5, and on the 4.5 side you are simply going to score, giving a little hint now of what I'm going to stick inside this. You will need to score on the short side at 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then you're going to rotate, and you're going to score at 1, 1.5 and 2, 4.5, 5 and 5.5, and that is all of our scoring done. I'll pop that out of the way. These would make, as I say, really lovely craft fair makes. Now, with the side that you want on the outside, you want that face down, and you're going to burnish your score lines on the long side only at this point in time. Love the soft colours of this pad, and I confess that I did buy several of them at £4. They're still very good value at £4, but it's a shame they're not £3 anymore, isn't it? Okay, what you're going to do now is you're going to take your punch board, and you're going to line up with this little tab folded down at 1.5 inches and punch, and then you're going to fold down again and punch, and you're going to fold down again and punch, and one more time, in fact actually 2 more times, just making sure you're lining up, and you can see the little pattern we're getting. And then finally the last one, and then you're going to repeat on this side You are going through 2 layers of quite thick paper or card, so you do need a little bit of welly. And if you haven't got an envelope punch board, if you go to my previous tutorial, which I will link somewhere, I show you how to make this without a punch board, but I think a lot of us have got them now, haven't we? And the last one there. And don't get rid of these little bits. Again, in that video, I show you a lovely little dangly thing that you can make. In fact, I've got one hanging on my thing here. Make a lovely little decoration to embellish a box, or yeah, I think I embellished the box with it. I can't get that back on now. Okay, that is our punching done. Now we've got a little bit more burnishing to do. So on these short score lines, on the short side, you're going to burnish this one this way. So you're doing a mountain and a valley. So that's our mountain. Here is our valley. And we're just loosening these little bits of fibre in these little bits of paper here, because this is what's going to tear or crack when we pull our cracker. And just do the last one there. It's a little bit fiddly. And then you can see that we've got that kind of shape going on there. Repeat on this side. So this one is going to go this way. You don't need to be too aggressive about it. And then this way. And then this way. Here we go. This one is the fiddliest, I think. And try and just be as accurate as you can. But I love the soft colours of these papers. I really, really do. I think last year I used the Frank Garcia Prima marketing paper for these little ones. To be honest with you, it would be best if you didn't use double-sided paper. You can just see I'm snipping this little bit away, because obviously you're not going to see one side, but I haven't got much that is sturdy enough that isn't double-sided. Just get rid of those little bits there. And then we're going to just apply glue on the tab. And these are really simple, and you could decorate them however you like. And if you're giving these as a gift to somebody, it'd be really nice to kind of match them to the colours of their tableware. Or if they're for you, you could match them to your own crockery. There we go. And I have got just a little love heart mini, and you can just see how they kind of just poke together and self-close. Let's have it the right way up. Those are really satisfying to make and really quick. We'll pop it in our box with the other ones. Got a little bit of a kind of colour fade thing going on there. And if you wanted to, you could embellish with little jingle bells. You could tie some ribbon around there. You could make your box slightly narrower, as I say, but there's something very satisfying about a square box, isn't there? But yeah, decorate them as much as you want to. You can personalise them, and there we go. Thank you so much for watching. I will try and be back next week. I'm just not feeling like making videos very much at the moment, and I'm not really watching a lot of videos either, so I must apologise. I will get back to my usual perky self very soon. Take care, everybody. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, subscribe if you're not already, and give a big thumbs up. It really does help me out. Take care. Bye now.